As you can see, this is a graph from the 2003 to 2018 season of shot attempts for LeBron James. As we can see from the graph here, we've got a bunch of different points ranging from different colors. I'm assuming one of them means shot attempts and the other is shot makes. However, I cannot tell from the graph. There is no chart or anything to tell you what the different dots mean. So they need to work on that one. The main story, basically, over the years, where he likes to make his shots from. For example, right here around the basket sticks out about 2 feet. Within 2 or 3 feet of the basket, he has a large majority of his shots. That's just the style of player he is. He's very large, athletic, likes to run to the rim. Then he has a less concentration toward the middle. I find that interesting because why straight in front does he not have a lot of shots? Doesn't seem to add up. He has a large cluster around the three-point line. He is a pretty good three-point shooter for his size. Probably top 20 all time. I find this graph interesting because he is my favorite player of all time. I love basketball, and it's interesting to see where his shots lie throughout his 15-year career.